What's up, YouTube? We're going to take a look at the GA1100 G-Shock Aviation Watch. Let's check them out. Let's go! Alright, YouTube, we're back. We have the great looking G-Shock GA1100 series. These are one of my favorite of the Aviator series. I forget the GPW1000 and GPW2000s are also part of the Aviation series, but these ones, I love them the way that they're designed to look like actual cockpits of aircrafts. For example, some like a helicopter, for example. It looks like the cockpit of that kind of aircraft, but looks good. 3 different color variations here in my hands. We have the black one with the green accents. We have the khaki color one, which is actually my favorite. And then we have the black one with the rose gold accents. All looking good. I'm actually selling all of these. $140, including shipping. Yes, include shipping to the US. Additional for international. If you guys are interested in any of these 3 models, please let me know. Starting off with this one, let's take a look at this one here, the GA1100 183. This is the black one, the green accents. Retails for $250. Yes, they're expensive. 5441 module. There's a SKU number there. Let's talk about this one in particular. Black and green accents throughout the band there. You can see twin sensor. You have the compass and temperature gauge on this model. Can't beat that. Okay, there's a compass right there button on the side there. Stainless steel buttons. Then you have the white protection and G-Shock, and it's like a gray ghost color on the top there. Very nice. Then you have the water 20 bar resist world time in green. Green accents there next to the buttons, so the screws that hold the band together. And then you have these gorgeous green accents inside of the dial. Black and white prominent on the dial there, but you have green accents throughout the actual dial. World time in green, and you have the world time window right there in the left corner next to the 9 position in green accents. Then you have the mode window on the bottom there next to the 6 o'clock position that gives you the home time, world time, stopwatch, timer, alarm, and back to your home time. You see it's actually a little off. I can fix that by pushing and holding the adjust button. Push and hold it. Keep holding it. There we go. Hand adjust. That one's good. This one takes a little time. All right, now we could adjust it as needed. That looks to be right on point right there. And then next is the world time window there for adjusting that. Make sure that it's aligned properly. They all got to point to the 12 o'clock position, the top rightmost point on the screen. That's good. And then next is the mode window. Look at closely. There we go. Now it looks like it's much better aligned. Boom, right there. Push to adjust and then goes back to your home time. There you have it. You have a dual, both analog and digital time display on the window there, as well as you can alternate between the time and the date format on the display on the top there. In the bottom right, next to the 4 o'clock position, you have the second counter. Switch that around. World time, stopwatch, timer, alarm, and back to your home time. Push the top left corner button, and there you go. You change between the digital time, day of the week, and date window, which is pretty cool. All right. Then you have the compass, which acts as a both digital and analog compass indication. Turn the watch around, and you can see it points to due north every time, as well as you have that corner window gives you the degrees. You can change that to show you the digital, there you go, position. Back home. There we go. Light button. The light on this watch is pretty nice, as well as the looms. You can see that there. Looks gorgeous. There's the backlight. Woo! Nice and bright. All right, and then that's the GG1000, excuse me, the GA1100 183. And next, moving on, is the GA1100 KH for khaki. This one is my favorite of the three colors. Nice green khaki color. White accents on the band and bezel. Right there. This one is the one I was wearing in my last video, but I have brand new ones that I will be sending out. This one I will be keeping for myself. Orange accent on the compass there, as well as orange accents for the water 20 bar resist. Okay, same functions as the last one I just showed you guys. Same backlight, except this one has orange accents on the 12 and 6 o'clock position in the world time, as well as the world time indicator there shows orange. Moving on, the GA1100, this is the rose gold RG-1A. This one again, black colorway with rose gold accents throughout both the bezel and inside the markers, on the hour markers and the twin sensor bar there. Pretty nice colorway. This one does need a battery change, so I'll get the battery changed before shipping out if you commit to the purchase. Again, $140 each of these, including shipping. Let me know if you're interested. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, this is Chicago. Any questions, please feel free to reach out. My email is in the description of this video. I have a lot of content, a lot of YouTube videos you can watch, and you chose me. I appreciate that from you. Again, this is the GA1100. A lot of technology, great looking watch, a lot of functionality, great comfort. I'll put the dimensions on the screen for you in case you're interested in this piece. 3 color variations available. All of them for $140 each, including shipping. Reach out. Watch comes brand new with the tag. No box, no tin, unfortunately, but they are brand new. I have numerous of these. So if you're interested, I only have, I think, 1 or 2 of the black and rose gold, but numerous of the khaki and the black and green. So don't miss out on that opportunity before they're all sold out. Save a lot of money. $250 retail price. Till next time, guys. This is Chicago. Holla at your boy. I'm out of here. Till next time. Peace.
My G-Shock, I'm rocking 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 my G-Shock.